Hey everyone, this is Dhruvin. Welcome to Power BI Admin Tip. In this session, we are going to talk about how we can disallow users to try Power BI Pro. So now, let's get started. Yes, you have heard correctly. Now you can restrict your users for trying Power BI Pro license. This is my Power BI service account, and at this moment I have activated with the Power BI Pro license. But what happens if I am coming first time over here and I do not assign any Pro license for my account? At that time, let's say as an end user, I am trying to create a workspace. It is prompting me to activate my Pro trial. So sometimes, due to lack of knowledge, any new user in the Power BI activating the Pro license and it will be expiring in 60 days. So whenever they have actual work of Pro account, they do not have the trial with the tenant. So as a Power BI service admin, now you can restrict your users for trying Power BI Pro license. So now let me show you which feature we need to activate as a service admin. First of all, make sure that you have sufficient Power BI Service Administrator right. Now, click on ellipsis icon from top right corner. Click on Setting and click on Admin Portal. This will open the admin portal like this. Now, from left hand side, we need to go from tenant setting. Once you open tenant setting, we have first option help and support settings. Now here we have third option named allow users to try Power BI Pro. Just expand this option. Now, by default, it is enabled for entire organization. You can enable or disable throughout the entire organization. For that, you just need to toggle this switch and apply the changes. Meaning, this feature is disabled for your entire organization. So no one from your organization will able to try Power BI Pro license. Let's say for an example, if you want to allow users to try Power BI Pro only for specific security group, so just select this option. Meaning if you enter any security group name over here, then only the users available in that security group will allow to try Power BI Pro. Rest of the users will not able to try Power BI Pro license. Now we have an option accept specify security group. Now here we need to provide any security group name over here. Meaning if you select this feature, apart from this security group, all the users from your organization selected on this two option will be able to try Power BI Pro license. Right? So only users from POC06 will not able to try Power BI Pro license. So, as the Power BI service admin, you can try this feature for your organization and make sure that this feature is something which will require around 15 to 20 minutes to activate for your tenant. So, make sure you will wait for 15 to 20 minutes. If you are for the first time to my channel, make sure you hit subscribe and press the bell notification to never miss any updates from my channel. Stay connected with me on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and WhatsApp. And if you wish to receive the daily notification from my channel, just click on this link. This will be redirecting you to this form. Fill the form and you will be receiving daily notification on your WhatsApp number. Stay connected with me. Have a great day. Goodbye.